Give it a bar. What's up, bub? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna go over to Ryan's house. He's got a mini bike. We're gonna probably go get another motor for it and try to get that thing running. But we got Sam McHugh. He's gonna go with me today. So I'm gonna go get a tray flip real quick on my skateboard since I met him at the skate park, and then we're gonna head over to Ryan's house. Sick. What are we getting? Gotta get Ryan one of these. It's his daily dose.
All right.
Dude,
Yeah.
got it for you.
This is bad.
Bro.
This is real bad. Every time this happens, Sam, it's the fan.
Get the job done, huh?
No, what this happens is it takes 7 hours to take off one lug nut.
It
And
happens,
about
though.
what, 24 hours to change the brakes?
No, it says, hold on. You're baller on a budget. I got you this. Right? No license needed. Get you to and from work. No problem.
Yeah, the thing's actually
No
pretty sick.
problem. All right. Oh, we got. Don't worry about that. Mommy.
I mean, it really isn't that bad. Just some TLC.
I do have an idea if you want to go buy metal.
I mean, does it have to have a chain guard?
No, you take all that off.
We don't believe in those things.
Yeah.
Wait. No, it does not need a chain guard. But like, see this cover, the torque converter? It'll come with a torque converter.
Oh, the cover?
The cover, that needs to be on for the race. Now, halfway through the race or whatever, you can just rip it off.
Dude, done. Let's go, go Harbor Freight.
Get the guys started.
Boom. What do you guys think?
The only thing, I didn't think about this. The other one has a clutch on it. Okay. Where's the 196cc?
I don't even think they sell the 196 anymore.
Yeah, they do.
Oh, it's over here.
Okay.
173. No, that's a vertical motor. This is the shaft.
That's 79cc though. 301cc. I put one of these on a go-kart once. That was wild. So the only thing I'm seeing that you got this. See the 0.75?
I mean, that should still be fine.
Shaft, right? So the shaft may have a different.
Probably be all right.
No, because then the clutch won't fit on the other one if it's smaller. This is a 0.75 inch shaft.
We didn't measure it either.
We didn't. That's why I was like, hey, you need to come look at it. And I forgot all about it.
So we ended up getting the new motor. So I guess what we're gonna go do, you can get the mini bike
Be careful, buddy.
and then
There's like bees over there.
pull it over and we'll start sanding it down, prepping it for some paint, and then start pulling the old motor off. We'll put the new one on, see how it goes. All right, so we got the little tank off, got the seat off. Ryan's working on getting the motor pulled off, and I'm not really sure what Sam's doing. He's just kind of hanging out with us. And then once we get the motor off, then we'll go ahead and start sanding it down, and we'll give it a little paint.
Almost there, girl.
Nice.
OPLS out. We got some wires here. It's probably for the headlight. But now we got to unbox brand new motor Maybe do a little bit of rust repair.
Well, we went ahead and got most of it sanded down. There's a little piece right here that kind of just helps support the motor, but we're gonna go ahead and cut a new piece of metal and we're just gonna reinforce it right there. Well, Master Welder Ryan went ahead and welded up the piece. It actually came out really good. So now we're gonna paint it, kind of prep it up a little bit better and spray it, and go buy a couple new pieces of hardware from the store, try to make it look a little bit better, and then we'll go ahead and put the Predator motor on it. Well, it is the next day. We ended up running into an issue. The clutch that we had for it didn't fit, so I had to order this one off Amazon, and it got here this morning, so we are back over. We got the motor mounted, got the clutch on. Now we're just gonna try to get the chain on.
Look, it doesn't have any play.
Perfect.
That's gonna work now.
So we'll get the chain on, and then we'll put some oil in and see if it runs. Everything put on. We got the gas in it, we got the oil in it. We'll go ahead and turn it on and give it a first start.
Yo! Thanks for watching and see you in the next. First run.
First run?
First run. I guess it's 20% throttle?
Yeah, I'm barely even gonna push it. I really don't even wanna. I feel like that's more than 20%.
Is it vibrating?
Oh, she's a ripper. Watch your leg. Alright, this is Sam's first time on a motorcycle. Look at him go. Woo! Give her the beans, Sammy.
You just get one of these. Just get one of those to go to work.
Alright guys, so it is currently almost 5 o'clock in the morning, but I wanted to go ahead and get this outro filmed so I can get the video out to you guys. I did end up getting this kill switch installed, and that works pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and order a torque converter and exhaust and a couple other little things, make this thing a little bit faster. And then there's a mini bike endurance race next month called the GPS180, so I'm gonna try to make it out to that one. And yeah, we're gonna get this little thing ripping, and it should be pretty fun. But if you guys like this video, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.